more butterfly series. This one's a little bit more active. We're going to be laying out flat on the floor, inhaling up to stretch forward, exhaling, pressing ourselves back, and repeating that a few times, as many as you feel is necessary. To do a few is to say that you're in nice health, and of course improving and stronger as you increase. So I'm only going to do a few for demonstration purposes. A wimp with core work. So here we go. Lay out and stretch out if you have the room. Your butterfly pose, let it come in as far as possible there. And then if you have the room to stretch out nice and long, maybe relax for a moment. All right, and with that, if you need to make the pose any easier, the feet could come off the ground to help lift yourself up and over. So here we go. Inhale. You can use the arms to lift yourself up. So inhaling all the way through. And then exhaling up and rounding down. Inhaling up. Straightening out as you come around. You can take that as far as you can go, of course. And exhaling back. It's nice, the arms work like a lever to kind of help with the inhale. So you are breathing with this one, inhaling to help lift up and follow through. That exhale is nice, rounding the spine backwards. Make sure you finish out, relax for a moment with a cleansing breath.